you have your factoring down, this section will be easy. Keep in mind that before we multiply across, we will want to cancel common factors between the numerator and denominator. Does the first step sound familiar? Of course it does, and you can pretty much assume that when working with rational expressions, regardless of the type of problem, factoring the polynomials will be the first step, or one of the first steps. Now, since numerators and denominators are monomials on this one, we won't need to factor. Because of the nature of this one, let's multiply the variables together. Having the variables combined in the numerator and denominator will then make reducing easier for us. Now remember, when you multiply variable factors together, you add exponents, and when you divide, you subtract those exponents. I will let you verify the answer on this one. Now on this one, look closely. Aren't 5x minus 7 and 7 minus 5x opposites? When you reduce these two factors, the result is -1. We discussed this in the last section. The other two factors are opposites as well. Therefore, 3x minus 12 over 12 minus 3x also gives us -1. So when we do our reducing or canceling, then we would get -1 times -1 for a final result of this one, +1. Let's move on to division of rational expressions. Now recall how we work with fractions. It's the first times the reciprocal of the second. Don't start factoring until you have rewritten your division as a multiplication problem. I would hate for you to get busy factoring and then forget to write the reciprocal of that second rational expression. Now here we have 4 polynomials to factor. Try and factor them before moving on to the next slide. After we have factored, we reduce for the simplified form. I believe our experience with multiplication division of rational expressions is not too difficult. In the next section, we will move on to addition and subtraction. Now remember, when we add and subtract fractions, we need common denominators. So expect addition and subtraction of rational expressions to be more difficult than that of multiplication and division.